Why can't we see stars in space photos? No, NASA did not film the moon landing inside a secret warehouse. And no, the stars were not forgotten in the background. The real reason is much simpler: camera exposure. In space, sunlight is extremely bright. The moon, Earth, astronaut suits, and spacecraft can reflect that sunlight very strongly, so the camera has to use a short exposure to capture the bright surface clearly. Short exposure means the camera collects light for only a very brief moment, but stars are very far away, and the light reaching the camera from them is extremely weak. Your eyes can adjust to darkness and see stars over time. But when a camera is set to capture a bright astronaut or the bright lunar surface, the faint starlight disappears from the photo. You can test the same thing on Earth. At night, take a photo next to a bright streetlight, and most of the stars in the sky will vanish. But if you use a long exposure, the stars suddenly appear. So the reason we cannot see stars in many space photos is not because the stars are missing. It is because the camera is set for the bright objects in front of it. And with those settings, the stars are simply too faint to show up. The stars are still there. The camera just did not look long enough to catch them. Before this photo goes completely dark, like, share, and follow.